my name is Jess and today I am going to unbox the Kensington MK7500 silent keyboard, and let me tell you, it feels heavy. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. It would help me out a lot, and you'll be reminded that every single Monday I do post new content, okay? You are here because you want to check out the new Kensington keyboard. I've heard a lot about it. As you know, if you're new to my channel, I have reviewed a couple different keyboards, including Dell and Logitech, and now onto Kensington. Really excited because it feels extremely heavy. Maybe it's made out of metal. Let's take a look here. It already says high level, has the meeting controls, it's spill proof, it has the gel wrist rest that is not traditional anymore. I haven't seen a lot of keyboards come out with this, and professional grade. So let's take a look at this keyboard together. I like a tactical keyboard, especially if it's silent. I can't stand when I'm gaming on my computer when my husband has his mechanical keyboard and it is so loud and it makes these clicking sounds. So let's see, is this that loud? Does it feel nice? Let's take a look here. Just gonna open the box. Oops. Take a peek how this keyboard is. It's a little large for my desk here, but let's see. Oops. All right, so I like that it's cardboard. It does have that sleeve, I assume for commercial and consumer, but cardboard is nice. It's recyclable, it's basic, it is clean. There's the keyboard. Here's the wrist rest. Ooh, that is hefty. I'll take that. Here's some information. We're here for you to walk you through FAQs on this product. Shortcuts, little information guide here on meeting control, shortcuts, Windows, Mac OS, and backlit. So let's take a peek, shall we? It does come with a dongle, if we can get it focused here. There we go. Let's. Whew. Is there? Hold on. Before I check, is there a wire? Yes, there's a wire. So that is USB to Type-C. More and more companies are just doing this. It's great. It's fantastic. So let's get the box out of here and let's take a peek. Interesting. So we have some plastic. Wow. All right. There's the plastic. It comes with your instructions for use. I really wonder at which point they don't need to include these in the box and they can just keep them online. So let's take a look. Let's unveil this nice cover. Know what I was thinking? Okay, so you might be like, why is this cover coming with the Kensington? I'm thinking, especially if you're out of office or you are in an office, this is a way to keep the dust off of your keyboard when you are not using it. I'm sure, I'm just gonna add it back on. I'm sure it helps. And I will do some research before posting this video on if that is the reason why. So let's go ahead and take this off here. Wow, it is stunning. It is really nice. Maybe I'll use it for my gaming. Just want to take a peek here. High level, so it is rechargeable. I'm wondering what makes it heavy. I assume it's, you know, real brushed metal. This is a nice keyboard. So I have been using the Dell Premier keyboard, very similar to the MX Logitech keyboard, very flat keys, They are not mechanical, and so it has such a different look and feel, especially if you like pushing buttons. This is a nice keyboard. I'm just going to add the elevation with the rest. I'll take that off. Here we go. And so you put the wrist rest there. Very ergonomic. I'm surprised, right? Kensington making a keyboard. This is probably the first time I've used one. I don't think it's the first keyboard that they've had. They have a ton of different ergo mice, but this is really the first time I'm trying the keyboard. And once I'm done my initial thoughts here, I will do some close-up angles so you can hear the sound. Is it loud? Is it not loud? And utilizing the buttons, and I will connect it. I believe it is Bluetooth as well, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll go do some tests and turn it on and show you what it sounds like. Okay, this is a test. It's very quiet. And take a look at how loud this one is. Very dusty gaming keyboard. Okay, so here is an up close of the Kensington keyboard. It is an absolute stunning design. I think I just really like the keys and the fact that I drink a lot of coffee around my desk, and this keyboard is IPX4 certified, so spill-proof design with that washable silicone so that you can put it on when you are leaving the office or traveling maybe. It really will prevent it from getting as dusty as my husband's keyboard that you just saw. Now, this is a great ergonomic wrist rest. I do have one already for my mouse, but this is great for my keyboard. And here is the 2.4 USB receiver. And it does have these two levels that you can sit your laptop at. So there's the on and off, whether you're going to be using the receiver or the Bluetooth. This device supports up to 5 Bluetooths. I'm not sure why you would need that. Maybe you're walking around or moving different spaces within your office. And here's a look at the back. There is the charger. So it is USB, and it does come with a cable as well. And here it is. I'm going to show you that it's paired with the dongle, as you can see. And also, if you want to add the device, you just have to pair it. There you see the Kensington MK7500F. It's very quick how it's connecting. You can see my Dell mouse is already there and connected. Maybe it was the first time. It just took a couple seconds here to realize it needed that connection. And once it's connected, I'm going to show you what it looks like. There is the button that it's been connected. And I'm going to show you what the backlight looks like. So there looks to be about 5 settings. I think it's all by 20%. And this is in pure daylight, so you can't see the backlit as much. But with the backlight on at 100% brightness, and here's what it looks like at night, it lasts about, I think, 9 hours with 100% backlit. I don't think you would need that always, but if you like the look, I think it looks really beautiful at night. For all you late night workers checking emails and things like that, just wanted to show you here. I think it really looks great at night, and that little light there is my monitor. But again, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty and offers some optional software that provides enhancing your customized options, which are the buttons on the top left there. I don't have a Kensington webcam yet, which I hope I can get, and I'll show you how that works with the keyboard next. Okay, so that was my review of the Kensington keyboard, and it is just stunning. I mean, look at this keyboard. If you are in the market for a keyboard, this is an absolute good choice. And I'll put the link below of where you can buy it. And if you have any other questions on it, feel free to comment below. Happy to answer them. And if you like this type of content, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And I will see you next Monday. Take care.